guys, welcome back to my channel DFCK. So in this video we are going to make a jumping game. So what we need to do is let's delete this sprite first, and then let's add another sprite. Maybe choosing a sprite is a really tough thing. So let's choose Danny and the costume Danny C. So yeah, and what we need to do is we need to add a backdrop. So I will choose blue sky, and then we need to add another sprite. There might be a mole. Okay, so we need to make this Danny small. So go to 70% size. Okay, and the ball need to start from here, and Danny need to sit in here. So let's go events and flat click motion, this position, yeah, and then for the ball we can add this position, the position where this ball is sitting, and then we need to add a forward loop. We need to add a forward loop, and then we need to move or change x by minus 10. So what it will do is just like this. We go, and then if touching the edge, we need to go to this location. So sensing, touching edge, if touching edge, we need to go to this position, or the position where this ball started. So I will copy that and go to and 206. So I will go like this. So I will do it. So, and if that Danny is if this ball is touching Danny, we need to stop all these things. So touching Danny, go to controls and click stop all. Okay, so that is working, and let's go for this little fella. Okay, so key space is pressed. What he need to do is he need to change y by 5, and then wait for a little bit second, maybe 0.2, and so we need to put it in a for loop, don't forget that. So we'll go like this, but it's only moving a little bit, so let's take it to 30, and no, not still. Let's take it to 50, see if there is any improvement. Yeah, there is some improvement there. Okay, so then he need to come back. That's to change y by minus 50. Yes, so change by y by minus 50. So let me take a P. Oops. The problem we are running is I think we need to increase the time, maybe for 4 seconds, 0.4 seconds. Oh nice, oh nice. So it's perfect, I think it's going perfect. And we need to add a variable named score, and for all sprites, and when flag is clicked, if touching sorry, we need to make it to here. If touching forever, if touch okay, what we need to do is we need to add if this ball is touching that if this ball is touching the earth and it shows go to mouse pointer. So besides that, we need to change the score. Change score by 1. So it will go like this. And if I add this to the script, everything will work fine. Okay, so and when this flag is cleared, we need to change this to score to 0. So yeah, so if you need to make this project or remix this project from scratch, feel free to remix it. It's on my Scratch account, Dave's Techies 1234. You can visit that, link in the description, and you can remix this project and make another project with different background and different sprites and anything you can do. So see you in the next video. Bye.